Okay, so this is day 2 of Word of Operations. So like yesterday, I did tell you to remember parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide from left to right, and add and subtract from left to right. So here, what I did add is some symbols that you would see. So parentheses, if you notice, you have your parentheses, then you have your brackets, and then you have other brackets. So make sure that you understand what parentheses look like. It includes all of those grouping symbols. Also, exponents, remember you have your base, which is your factor, and then the e is your exponent, which tells you how many times you're going to multiply it. So for instance, if I have 2 to the third power, that means you're going to do multiply 2 times 2 times 2. It's not 2 times 3, it's 2 times 2 times 2. So make sure you understand that. Now for multiply and divide, left to right, I did add some symbols. Remember that the symbol could be X, it could be a star. If you have a number and a letter next to each other, that's going to be a multiplication. If you have a number and then parentheses and then another number, it is going to be multiplication. It could be a square in the middle, it could be a circle. So any of those symbols represents multiplication. And then a fraction is also division, and then the division symbol. And then for add and subtract, you just have the plus and the minus sign. So in order for me to know that you actually watched this video, I want you to tell me what is the first step on this problem. So what you need to do is it's 3 plus 3 to the third power times 4. So in this case, the first step will be 3 to the third power. So make sure you answer that in the problems, in the actual problem that I gave you, and then go to the next